So here we have a September 2015 65 plate Scania R450 top line. As you can see, she's fully colour coded red. Good tyres all round, at least 10mm on each tyre. Double side lockers. You've got battery box side mounted. You've got 525 litres of diesel across the 2 tanks. Mid lift. Again, good tyres at the back. So to the rear of the truck, you've got run-up ramps to the sliding fifth wheel. You've got an A-frame mounted to the back of the cab. Again, at least 10mm all round on the tyres. Mid lift. 90 litres AdBlue tank. Double side lockers. Inside the cab, we have a fridge. Single bunk, double bunk. And we have a microwave. (380,000 kilometers).